I become paraplegic. Nibabseka spinal cord ka level 1. So I couldn't feel that
The legs.
yes. That accident was 93. It was my first car accident. I had 4. I had 4 car accidents. So ungathi mawuse uhamba nge-wheelchair, you leave everything. You don't even bath. You understand? So you have to love yourself.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezikwezana zona sihambela le kude phezulu. Do join. Sanibonani Dumelang, bonjour, and welcome once again, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezikwezana zona zona esihambela le kude phezulu. Lalela, don't forget we are voting Purposeful Influencer Awards. Please go and vote for your best podcast 2025. You just go and find a page Yama Purposeful Influencer Awards, and then under that comment your best podcast you faka nje comment yakho ethi Zandi Mfeka or meaningful conversations with Zandi Mfeka, whatever you wanna put there, as long as go Zandi Mfeka nje, it's fine. Auditors will pick it up ukuthi it is going to Zandi Mfeka. And another thing, it's a Heritage Day today. Happy Heritage. I don't know ukuthi uzoyibona nini ke le, kodwa it's Heritage Day okusalayo, and Heritage Day to my guest as well. Sawubona bhuti.
Yebo, unjani sisi?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Awa ngiyaphila. Yeah, happy Heritage Day.
Today we are talking overcoming adversity. Usurvive kanjani after wehlakalelwa isehlo esiguqula impilo yakho yonke, takes you out from normality. Abaningi bethu, they felt like during COVID we were out of normality, everything was not the same. Kodwa after COVID idlulile, we went back to our normal lives. But wenze njani uma ngabe uzithola usesimeni whereby uzithola kuleso simo and then impilo yakhe ayisabuyeli kulento obukade uyazi iyona before. Ingakho ke namhlanje sivakashelo ubhuti wethu owenza umsebenzi omuhle osikhuthazayo. As you know ukuthi this is the only podcast that is here to inspire, to entertain you. But wami ngicela usibingelela ababukeli bosuyazazi ukuthi sihamba nobani wakabani today.
Okay, sanibonani babukeli. Namhlanje nimfamba na Simon Shabangu, aka Pastor Legless from Sisonke Disability Foundation.
Pastor Legless.
Yes.
Yeah. I love it when people turn around izimo as ekumele ngabe kuthiwani ngesizulu, a situation that is supposed to put you down, but you rise above the situation.
Yeah, like they said when life gives you a lemon, turn it to lemonade. And enjoy it, you understand? So yeah, I mean, I'm that kind of person which accept isimo sami and then ngaphinda enjoy life lengphila yona. So I thank God for that.
I love your positive attitude. I love your energy. Mr. Legless, ufika kanjani ekubeni legless? Ngicela nje usithathe usibuyisele a couple of years before you become legless, because you were not born legless.
Yes. Yeah, I had a car accident in 1993. But I was born healthy and full of life. I was born in 1977. I grew up very active. And I was doing martial art and all the stuff. So I remember 1993, my mother bought me a mountain bike in end of February. She was going to visit my grandma Cape Town, her mom. So okay, she bought me a bicycle. I only owned it for 12 days.
12 days only?
Yes, 12 days. 13 March, I had an accident. It was Saturday, 13 March. And then I remember Akutlanga Pirates and the Chiefs. So Pirates, I winnie the Chiefs. Ne? So the guy, I was with my cousin. The guy, I was celebrating Pirates. You understand? He was celebrating Pirates. So I ended zigzag. He lost his balance. So I take then I become paraplegic. Nibabseka spinal cord ka level 1. So I couldn't feel
the legs.
Yes. I felt, but not that 100%, maybe 40%. Yeah, and then from there, my life changed. What I like about that, because people, they see that, hey, life is easier to me, like the way I take life. I take everything easier. Okay, before that accident, I was training people with disabilities, drum majorant. I remember at school I was doing drum majorant, Panonyana Badrila, and then this school, Yingisani School, is school for deaf. But and asked us to go and teach labantu laba abantwana bangezwa. It was a big challenge because we didn't know, but we learned. We learned sign language that at that time. It was nice. Sabafundisa lento besibafundisa yona yokudrilla ama-drums, and then within 2 months the project was finished, and then I was left behind because I already had friends there. So I used to ask from my mom to spend weekend with them, and then sometimes I asked them to come and visit. So my mom abamukele kahle endlini. I remember mabeze Friday, Sunday mabahamba mapheka ukudla abafakele ama container. I think ngifuna ama container mabuyisa. It was like that.
Masipha wayenyamalala.
Yeah, but bewabuya vele because besifuna ukuthembeka, you understand.
Okay.
All right, mina bangibavakashela esikoleni sabo ngiyolala on Saturday. Sivuka siya eLithaba school, it's a cripple school, not
Okay.
far from that school.
At that time, you're still normal.
Yeah, I was still normal. And then siyodlala sidlala ibhola nabantu abangaboni. Yabona ibhola lakhona line sound phakathi maligijima kodwa
So that azolizwa ukuthi
azolizwa
liqhamuka
ukuthi
ngakephi.
likuphi. It was fun because uyalizwa ukuthi likuphi liSamuel amakhahlela alikho uyawa. So it was nice. You know, sometimes bas blindfold ne sipusha ama wheelchairs gijima si races singaboni, but ku control bona labantu sibapusha. It was fun, so I get used to them. Mangi ngajump weekend engayanga bengafili God. I didn't know that God is preparing me. You understand? I didn't know that God. Now as I grow up, so mangibheke emuva ngiyabona ukuthi hayi man. uNkulunkulu kwahlahle mangisale year before the accident beangibuilda, because I remember ngisesibhedlele umama, she paid for ama crutches ukuthi mase ngibangcono ngikhona kuya physio. And then kwaphela isikhathi awu enyawo zinyakazi, abo doctor bangise x-ray bathola ukuthi awane spinal cord si affectekile. So wathi no, batshelo neso no, ubiza abazali bakhe mabafika bazele ama officeini wethu. So I ngabona once ukuthi since bebakhombana le x-ray ukuthi spinal cord. So even though I understand, but I knew it ukuthi spinal cord can affect umzimba womuntu. So okay, umama wafika bambiza waya mabuya bengibona ukuthi she was crying, but I try ukufihla ukuthi ngingaboni ukuthi bekakhala. You know what did I say to her? I don't know ukuthi lento ibuya. I was 15 years. 15.
Yeah.
I said to my mom, Mama, don't worry. God knows what he is doing. I might recover. I'm still young. I might recover and walk again. So I could see that she's getting a bit relieved after I heard what I said. I understand them. So I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu, he's using me. Yeah, understand that now. I believe that fully, because even the thing that I'm doing now to help people with disabilities, getting them wheelchairs, you know. So this part was kept for me before I was even born. uNkulunkulu waplana lento before mina ngizalwe ukuthi mina ngizohamba le ndlela. So it's how I take it. So and understand ukuthi impilo lo ingisa kuphi. That's why I'm here today.
How long were you involved with disabled people before you actually got an accident? Because we are highlighting ukuthi already you were 15 uma uthole accident.
Yes.
But sibe singakanani isikhathi ozihlanganise nabantu aba-disabled before i-accident?
Before, I can say maybe 6 months. 6 months, because
A very short period.
Yes, during the year, masiyobafundisa. Is how I get connected with them. I bonded with them.
Sure.
Yeah.
And then jiki uzithola usu disabled. Tshela mina, after you received the news ukuthi you are now disabled, you are 15. I'm assuming you are uhambe isikole at the time.
Yeah, I
You are
was
also actively involved with disabled people.
Yes.
Kwak-affect kanjani esikoleni?
Okay, esikoleni azange sabela, because I had the thing lesibazibiza ukuthi ama-bed sores, ama-pressure sores. So mawuhlala kuba
Lama sores amancane
yes, and then
akhelayo
it
from
grows. It grows
Yes.
as long as you put a pressure. So you have to relieve pressure. That's why you have to stand up like this, and then sometimes you lay down. so to prevent lama bed sores. Yeah, so I
And
had bed
i-desk
sores.
liqinile futhi i-desk lasesikoleni
Yes.
it's not comfortable.
No, I was gonna use my wheelchair with a cushion because already bengu wheelchair. Yeah, you understand. And then bake esclassini ngike ngabuyela eLithaba school kona kule sikolo bengigijima nalabantu.
Okay.
Ngayocatela my grade 7, 8, 9 ne. Ngabuyela khona kule sikolo. And then eclassini bebangibekela a bed ukuthi ngi-relieve i-pressure, you understand, ngi-relieve i-pressure. Ngalento ukuthi bathi thina abantu abakhubazekile kumele siye e-normal school. Some of us, yes, is fine, but others need that care. They need to relieve pressure, need ukuthi uyabona babone clinic towards the day, you understand. So so I was like that. I went to school, ngapasa le grade 9 yami and 10. I know 11 as well.
Yeah.
So angna matric. Yeah, angna matric. And then ngandlula futhi ngaya college ngayoyenza theology.
Oh wow.
Yeah, theology. Wanted to know more about God since I found out myself that God is using me. So I wanted to know more. I understand, to have a knowledge. I understand. So yeah, is that how it happened? But that accident was 93. It was my first car accident. I had 4. I had 4 car accidents. Okay. Yeah, after that first accident.
Hey, but I'm so sorry. Why am I accident angaka?
I wish I can ask God.
No.
I wish I can ask that, but it's fine. I will never get any other accident. I will never. uNkulunkulu already so uvalile ile journey bekumele ngihambe ukuthi ngizo understand calling yakhe uNkulunkulu. And then ngikhumbulana le verse yaka bathu bani lo uJob. uJob uNkulunkulu wa challenge uSathana ngomuntu wakhe kunguJobe. Athi wambona bebayohlangana emeeting vele nama angels, so wabona uSathana khona wambuza athi we Sathana ufunani la bekuphi sonke lesikhathi. Athi ngile emhlabeni ngiyale. Athi wambona uJobe. Athi ngimbone uJobe yokukhonza ngoba wena umnike everything. uNkulunkulu wakhe hamba wena uyothatha le everything yakhe nje impilo yakhe ongayithathi.
Uzobona ukuthi
uyabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu
na.
wamchallenge cause bekathemba umuntu wakhe.
Yes.
So I take it like that. Nami wangithumela lo Sathana ukuthi athathe whatever he takes. Listen, kuJobe, ma uJobe ase azobuya uNkulunkulu amblessa. Be blessa double to things that they took. Zabuya double. Mina uthathe inyawo eziwu2 kubuye 4. It's a double. I understand.
I love that. I love that.
So yeah. So that's why I love God. And I don't blame him or anyone ukuthi ngilana namhlanje because ngisemsebenzini lo uNkulunkulu wanginikeza wona ukuthi ngizonaka abantwana bakhe abakhubazekile, ngizobabonisa indlela. Sifuna kwenza different eSouth Africa.
Yeah.
Sifuna kwenza imehluko kakhulu. So Sisonke Disability Foundation kuzoba igovernment kubantu abakhubazekile. Uzobona from now on, just check the space. Be with me ubone uthi ngiyakuphi. uNkulunkulu uzongisebenzisa kakhulu. So siqalile vele already.
Amazing work. I've seen umsebenzi wenzayo muhle ngendlela emangalisayo. And there's something about me ukuthi I fall in love easily with people abanothando lokwenza umehluko.
Yes, ma'am.
Wes ukuthi wena you have been in a situation omunye umuntu ayengayithatha njengokuthi it's my fault. Kusho ukuthi nawo kufanele ngiphile ngama handouts, kusho ukuthi nawo kufanele ngihleze ngincenga kwabanye abantu ukuthi but you refuse to do that up until uqala iSisonke Foundation. Tell us about the foundation. Located kuphi? Iqale nini? Yenzani? Abantu abafuna ukusizakala from yona basizakala nganhloboni yosizo. Then later on sobe sesieda nama contacts.
All right, Sisonke si establish manje ngo-June. It's registered in June, but lento yomsebenzi wami
It's a an official NPO with an OPO
Yes,
number.
yes.
Which means ningakwazi manje ukuthola i-funding noxhaso
Yes.
kwamanye ama-organization amakhulu afuna ukuclaima i-tax.
Yes,
Ngicacisa lokho because ngifuna anyone who's watching and ufuna ukusiza at the later stage azi ukuthi is safe.
Yes,
Uma ngabe
yes.
ensiza uzokwazi ukuyoclaim i-tax yakhe because ama-organizations amakhulu they usually support with an aim ukuthi kufanele bathole tax
Bathole
rebate
tax.
every year.
Yes, yona vele is there and manje sisekule ndlela ye-PBO. Sebhizi nge-PBO sagcwalisa amafomu siwayisa khona for that thing you are saying ukuthi abantu kumele bathole something in return from SARS. Yeah, we are busy with that. It's registered.
Okay.
It's officially you can come on board and help.
Nenzani ngoba ngiyabona nibhizi lapha recently benihambisa ama-wheelchairs to certain people kwenzakalani awusisasithanda indaba
Yeah.
oyiphake nje uyipheke uyinabise nje sifuna ukizwa yonke ungashiyi nokugodwa.
Okay, since ngu-wheelchair ngibone i-challenges ama-challenges amaningi since ngiphila kule life they are differently able. I don't like to say disabled, actually differently able.
We usually say academic we usually say ukuthi it's physical challenge people.
Yes. Yeah, since ngiphila kule mpilo so ngibonile ukuthi abantu bahlupheka kanjani ngama-wheelchair, ama-crutches, sometimes ama-rubber and all the stuff, I understand. So maybe sometimes esibhedlela unokuya bakubeke ku-waiting list. Next time uya thola ama-wheelchair wafikile kodwa abanye bawatholile wena awuzange usayithola, so you have to wait and go to the clinic uyobhalisa khona. Sometimes iba fast, sometimes kuba slow. So I thought, good to know, I rather start something to help those people. Firstly, it was in Limpopo. I was in Limpopo. I just moved this side, manje. It was Ability Beyond Disability Foundation, which we were 3 founders.
Okay.
So now I just left them to bafowethu pushana umsebenzi nyamphambili sinika abanye i-chance ukubona ukuthi bakwazi ukusebenza. So I came this side so ngizovula isisonke. Sisonke, yes. I've been in this for a very long time. I've been working here for God for a very long time.
From 15 years actually to be
Yes,
precise.
it's been a while. It's been a while. So no, ukuthi ngibone lama challenges so ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi at least siyenze impilo ibe lula kubantu abakhubazekile ngama accessibility ne movement. Yeah, understand. Now we are going to add so siba train umsebenzi wezandla, things like beads, sewing, woodwork, into ezifana lezo, and then we'll also educate them. Sizoba ne-abet.
Okay.
Because we can see ukuthi iy'kolo zi-limited for thina abanye abakhona ukufikela esikoleni.
That's true,
So now we want to have our own school. Yesterday I had a meeting with my counselor. So he gave me a very big place that we will run the school.
Wow.
At the school and the project that we'll be doing, everything that we'll be doing, it will
Hey,
take
shout
place
out to
there.
that counselor. What's his name?
Hallelujah. Ngobese Sanel of what's
Sanele Ngobese siyabonga because amakhansela kuhleze kuthiwa ayavotela bese kufanele anyakaze awatholakali bahlala endlini eyinamafence amakhulu ungamboni nomuntu ongaphakathi.
Yeah, ibona lento le. So he is there, and then before I even start with this, I approached him and tell him about Sisonke before I started to register and all the stuff. So he was happy about it. So now I show him. It was June, remember? So now is September. But the thing that already we did, giving in uniform to the school kids, and then donating shoes and then amasogisi kubogogo, old age, visiting families, giving wheelchairs, crutches. It's a lot we did because ngibonile vele ukuthi kule kasi ngiceda kufika kulo kusathulekile and mangithi ngiyabheka bakhona abantu abadinga isisonke ne understand. Yeah, so sisonke is ethi extension 8.
Okay.
Yeah, so very soon sizovula ama-container la si-donatele ibhokati. It's a 6 meters containers, 2 containers for the office. Lenye soba senza ama-project for meanwhile. And then Bogart also donated 45 wheelchairs and then 15 crutches, 15 walking frames, plus those containers, yes. So you can see I'm even wearing Bogart. There's also sponsor me with these things, clothes and all the stuff.
What type of clothes do they make? First, tell us. You are mentioning Wuti, they are sponsoring you already, based on Nigama containers and everything.
Yes.
What else do they do? Let us know about their work as well.
Okay, what I heard that they will be with us and help us to be successful in this organization. They will sponsor us, and then to us, they are just sponsoring with that, and then born available things are impahla, nice clothing that you and the quality. It's a quality, and then I like the thing
Is
that
that one of
backpack.
the t-shirts that you're wearing? Is one of
Yes,
their
yes,
clothing.
and this cap as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so and then there are also, as wheelchair users, we use backpacks. So they have a very nice backpacks. And
Oh,
then
the ones
side
that you
packs,
hang
you
behind
have,
more
behind the
when you-
wheelchair,
okay, yeah.
and they put your things there, and the backpacks. I mean, side bags as well for cell phones and woody, nice jackets. They are selling a very beautiful things. So I can say, but for you to don't undermine yourself. I'm a disabled. I can't go there. Just go in there, check. There's something beautiful for you that you can wear it and be nice, be clean. So ungathi mawuse uhamba nge-wheelchair, you leave everything. You don't even bath. You understand? So you have to love yourself, so
Ne?
that people will love you, will appreciate you.
That's very true.
So that size of me, I'm like that. I'm very clean person, and then yeah.
Siyabathola social media platforms upokhathi, so or uzonginika ama-details so
Yeah,
pin it down on this video so that people who want to see their clothing material.
Yes. I will give you their website, and after we're done, I'll give you everything, so that will be. And they are in many mall around, even Maponya Mall. They are there.
They are
You
well
see,
established already.
Yes. They are expanding. They have 48 stores in this country.
Okay.
Yeah, 48 stores. So they are pushing. The business is growing. So I pray God to help them to grow better, and then bigger, and also help more people out there. They have a beautiful heart. And Mr. Eli, the owners, Mr. Eli. And then again, the wheelchairs branded now, name of an organization, by Banaring Office Suppliers. This here in Edenvale.
Okay.
So they are branding. It's for free. It's a sponsor. And then the guy Rufus, the owner of Banareng, is the one who took me to Bogatti 2 years back.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 years
Okay,
back.
he introduced you
he
there.
introduced me there. So you see that space now. This year, everything is happening, and then I thank God. I thank
And
God
it's
for
moving.
everything. Yes, it's moving.
It's moving.
A lot. Yes.
Sisakhuluma ngeimpahla ekhaya, kindly remember that I am dressed by Mafsa's Clothing. They are located on the corner of Albertina Susulu Street and Troy in Johannesburg. Please do give them a visit. It's festivities month, September, abantu bayashada, kunemgidi, kuyemulwa, koyosikisa, ubusuyasimema nathi. Ngicela ukukubuza umbuzo personal, but if you don't feel like you are comfortable to answer.
Anything. I'm here to teach.
A lot of people, I usually see this on TikTok interactions. Abantu, they tend ukucabanga yonke into bayilinga nocansi. I don't know how come. How has your accident affected your love life?
Okay. Yeah. Firstly, it was very hard because I wasn't going strong. You understand? So, but as I grow and learn and do more research and go to the doctor, so kuna some things to boost. You understand? So, bang introduce antes of Viagra, but any doctor, no, don't use that. It has after effects.
Yeah, they say it's
Yes.
yakubulala in the long run.
Yeah, so one enzela prescription yale bathi Cialis. Cialis, from that I used for maybe it was 28 pill, which I was having it every day.
Okay.
So after that, then I came back to normal.
Okay. Now, health-wise, I love the fact that you've mentioned ukuthi abantu abakhubazekile akusho ngoba nakukhubazekile manje bese uyanoka ungagezi and everything. Health-wise, what has worked for you? I can see you are very fresh. You look very clean. Ubukeka nje njengomuntu ozisandayo. In the long run, how would you advise abantu abakhubazekile ukuthi how do you take care of yourself, because you also mentioned ukuthi as uhlezi uhleli kwi-wheelchair uba nalama bed sores, siwa-treat-a kanjani and bazijwayeze ini just to ukuthi mhlambe no ikhona indlela ongayisebenzisa ukuzivocavoca and things like that, just to make sure ukuthi umzimba wakho noma uhlezi uhleli phansi kodwa still uyayithola leya activity yokuthi angithi even before when you were doing martial arts you were somebody who's very moving nje
Yes,
or
yes.
active. So how did you kept that movements in your body even though uhlezi phansi?
Okay, mina vele after an accident, I continued with my martial art.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Master wami uTiger usepolokwane somewhere.
Wow.
So yeah, I can break. Yeah, don't take a chances. Yeah, a clap angivumi. I can block and break at the same time. So yeah, so exercising is very important. It's very important. It also help your heart and so on. And
To avoid nezinye izifo ezingakuthola manje so uhlezi yes.
yes. And then when it comes to bed sores, you need to relieve pressure. Always, as I showed you that I did that lift up to
Please show us again. I think I saw it kancane, but at the time
like this. You see? So it
oh
can take some few minutes, and then that blood will circulate.
circulate.
Yes, you know, ibheso iphuma njani emuva your bump.
Yes.
There's this bone.
Yeah.
You can feel it
Umsila.
when ma uhleli ya pressure phansi, so I pressure ihlanganisa le pressure lana le yale thambo, so igazi liyama alimuvi. I think sometimes you'll change a position like that. So umuntu ongakhona ama feelings 100% phansi, so it's not easy ukuthi afile ukuthi ukhathele. I understand. So uyahlala makahlala, and then once kufale ama cells wayafa la kule pressure zaze khona, and then
Sekwakheka le
uzobona
dead skin ezophenduka ibe yilonda.
uzobona kuba ne blister ngathi ushile, and then once iphunya le blister isilonda siyasaqala. So uma ungasinakekela still uchubeka because I pain angeke uyifile 100%. I understand. Uyahlala nje, you might not feel that pain the whole day. I understand. Lokho mawuhleli uyagubheka uyadleka, sometimes kuyafika nasethambini, and then ku-strong ku-dangerous ngoba mangathola umsipha kwangena ubovu phakathi izala enhliziyweni, and then
Usuzogula phela
you die. Yes, abantu abaningi bahambile ngenxa ye-bed sore. So guys at home, please take care of yourself, and then if kunane rap mawuceda maybe mawulele uchange position,
Yeah.
rub the side le just to relieve the blood.
relieve, igazi
Yes,
ligijime.
ligijime ususe le pressure le, because nawo umbhede mawungalala ngeposition e1, more especially lama side la kunamathambo la ngathi ama joints khona, ila ithanda khona I-pressure sore or bed sore. So guys, take care of yourself emakhaya, pressure relieved. And then if umuntu wakini ukhubazekile, maybe quadriplegic, is from up here, ukhona nje ukumove amehlo nenhloko ebody yayi, kuna 2-hourly position change. Mani change after 2 hours, le side bakalele ngalo nifaka le rubber niyamrapha. So in that way niyamsave for ama bed sores. So ni make sure ukuthi la khona ku dry akuna manzi. Yeah, always use a linen savers to be dry to save a linen. And then after that maiba manzi you keep her, and then you put another one. Or maybe nama pampas style, you make sure ukuthi mafake lama nappies lawa change on
ahlezi
time.
kushintshwa njalo,
Change
yeah.
in time, yes. Yeah, but the way I'm a man of a family with 3 abantwana, 2 girls and a
Wow,
boy.
beautiful.
So yeah, and my wifey.
Okay, that's lovely.
Yes.
Now, I guess fundise lapha ekhaya khona into engiye ngiyibuka ihlukumeza umoya wami. Omama abanezingane ezikhubazekile ezizalwa nokukhubazeka okuthize, uthola ukuthi umuntu uyayifihla ingane. On top of ukuyifihla ingane, abanqeni ukuyivalela endlini, babenikeza ukudla mayikwazi ukuzidlela izodla, bahambe bobuya kushona ilanga. ingane ishiyeke lapha yayodwa bebeyifakela iCV bayifakela iTV mabeyishiyela whatever mawukuthi umntwana okwaziyo ukufunda nokucofa ifone in that same place the whole day every day.
Yeah, and then abantwana abaningi bayashona nayizolo besikhuluma ngomunye uthi uma wakhe wamshiya endlini wabuye ekuseni wayodakwa la dakwa khona wabuye ekuseni athatha umntwana othulile. They understand angazi they don't understand kahle abafundi neBhayibheli. Umntwana okhubazekile umuntu okhubazekile isipho ula emhlabeni kuzobonisa amandla kaNkulunkulu. If you can go to John chapter 9 verse 1 2 3 ujump njalo uye ku 6 7 ile khuluma ngoJesu maka hamba nama disciples wakhe so bahlangana umuntu ozale angaboni. One of the disciples abuza the Rabbi ngabe lo muntu ukuthi angaboni so is because of izono zabazali bakhe or reason because beba believer ukuthi manjalo is a curse. You understand? So ku verse 3 uJesu makaphendula ukuthi no, it's not because of izono zakhe or abazali bakhe kodwa uNkulunkulu ufuna amandla wakhe wabonakale through that person. I can say ukuthi mina most mangidlula umuntu athi sho kanti uNkulunkulu umuntu aphila anje shot uNkulunkulu namandla. Uzwile last statement umuntu uphila kanje shot uNkulunkulu namandla. I understand. So ngibonisa amandla kaNkulunkulu ezengizile ngoba uJesu ayishida from that time it verse 6 uJesu wakhafula amathe phansi wahlanganisa nohlabathi wamgcobisa la emehlweni wathi go to the pool of Siloam uyogeza amehlo uzobona. Akuna la ithi bambambe ngesandla bamhambisa ethi wasuka spiritual already besakabona but bekumele kundluliswe lento ukuthi ayogeza
bese kukuye already net ukuthi
yes yeah kulamalanga sinabo besino the late Fiso he had 12 fingers that God was excelling showing his powers that I'm capable of doing this. You understand? Kunabo abanye abasisi bemlungu umuntu oyi1 konjani amakhanda o2 shot ama twins ku one body. Nakhona still bekabonisa uNkulunkulu ukuthi I can make this. That's his powers. Ubonisa amandla wakhe. So we are here to showcase God's power. So abomama nina banblessile ngalabantwana abakhubazekile. Feel so special because uNkulunkulu wakukhumbula njengoba akhumbule uMary. Mazotshela uMary ukuthi azothumela uGabriel ukuthi hamba utshela uMary ukuthi uzozala umfana hambisa uJesu onde uzobonisa amandla kaNkulunkulu emhlabeni. So same applies to labantu laba abomama labazalayo bazozala umuntu ozobonakalisa amandla kaNkulunkulu emhlabeni. So that's why ngithi ningasithathi kancane manje sibona sikhubazekile and then you don't have to feel pity for us. We are here sisemsebenzini sithunyiwe la uNkulunkulu ukuthi sobonisa amandla wakhe la emhlabeni. So ngiyasho ukuthi kuba mama labalahla abantwana bavala abantwana no take care of that precious gift. Maybe president of South Africa
you never know.
Mthatha umise esikoleni mfundise ubone uzomangala. So please abazali ngicela ninakekele labantwana uNkulunkulu uzoniphanisha ngalenye indlela eningayazi. So take care of these people.
Lempi yokubafihla ke siyinqoba kanjani?
Yeah ngilwa nayo because njengoba sihamba ngeorganization sina ema caregivers abahamba babona abogogo nabantu abakhubazekile emakhaya which umama uye uleader umama wakwami uye vele ubambe leyo department.
Okay.
Na sina
ngaze ngayithanda ke leyo ukuthi umama is supportive in everything.
She's very wow. She's very very supportive. She's the one yena vele wenze bo auxiliary nursing into ezifana lezo. So nelento ama caregivers une experience uyazi and futhi uyaba teacher nencwadi zakhona uyabafundisa which we are planning ukuthi we are planning ukuthi sibe ne certificate sizokhona kunika lama caregivers because we'll have many of them. So sifuna ukuthi yonke le ndawo kube sisonke caregivers. Ngoba abantu abakhubazekile nabo bakhona bahlala kodwa abanakwa.
Yes.
Ukuthola ukuthi umuntu uyafuna kuye edrobheni you understand ngengayicabanga ukuthi
bagcina be depressed umuntu abulawa i-depression abulawa i-stress ngoba manje akazizwa amukelekile cause yena now ubukeka different.
Uyayibona lento Uyayibona lento leyo fanele kodwa kuyafuneka ukuthi bathole abantu labavakashelayo bababonise impilo babafundise babathathe babakhiphe nje babayise e-mall. Ngisho ne-family is a good thing ukuthi nimthathe umuntu nimkhiphe nimise e-mall abona abantu afile naye ukuthi usemhlabeni. Ne understand usempilweni. You'll be surprised ukuthi uthola ukuthi lo muntu is very talented and gifted. So wena mnike nje ithanda.
Ngiyacela yazi nifake leyo ibe part of your organization. You can
Yes.
even teach online.
Yes.
Mhlambe design modules where you can have abantu enizoba trainer endaweni ezithile.
yes,
And
yes.
if you need assistance with that,
Yeah.
just be in touch with me.
Okay.
Be in touch with me because these days we are no longer limited to ukuthi kufanele ngize ngibe seduze kasisi ukuze ngimkhulume naye angizwe ukuthi
Yes,
ngithini.
yes.
Kuno social media,
Yeah.
kuno online, you can
Yes.
because you've got a good sponsor on your side, you can even ask them ukuthi bandesignele nice website ezoba nje ne-LMS in it, nifake wonke lama modules abantu enibafundisa uma ngabe bengekho eduze kwenu nibafundise online
Online,
bakwazi
yes.
ukunakekela abantu abanye
Yes.
bangathola ngisho umsebenzi with that
Yes,
because abantu
yes.
abakhubazekile abantu abaningi ama-families wabo abaningi babo awathanda ukubanakekela.
Yes, that's true. That's true. Sababona eze ngisho ukuthi siya ama-family thina si shorta nje nge-social work. Because some other houses ngeke singene la ukuthola ukuthi bavale lo muntu obviously mangena bangakuvulela ne-case bathi wazobahlasela endlini. You understand that? So if singaba ne-social worker under our organization or i-social work le ingasebenzisana organization yethu ukuthi sikhona ukuthi sifikelele lawo makhaya sizokwazi ukunceda laba abavaleliwe endlini. Since now we are having a place where councillor gave it to us, we are planning ukuthi masiyobakhipha labantu some other families sizolwa nabo because they will be fighting bacabanga imali esasa ukuthi lo muntu once asiphunyuka isasa ihambile so banendawo la siyobanaka khona. Last masibumthatha la siyazi ukuthi simisa ku home labazomnaka lama caregivers bazomchecka every day athole ethando athole ama exercises physios udinga into eziningi aphume nje ashaye ulanga sizophuma nama trip like siya ngabo Johannesburg Zoo siyophuma September Kruger National Park is free kungena. You just pay accommodation nokudla. So we'll take them that side bahambe nje baphume basifile nabo
Babe abantu
you understand that? Yeah, that's why we are having ama artists abantu abakhubazekile each and every event lawa siwa organizer esisonke bakhona bazoperforma ukuthi angithi siba kuyithi ukuthi nalabo bangakwazi baye ema festivaleni sibalethele ifestival
ba-experience
ukuthi into enjani lento yenzakalayo. Yeah, so as Sisonke, we're still gonna work a lot. Sister, you're also welcome, and thank you very much. Uti usnikele offer. Anytime when we need you, siku phone. Since we have contact now, we'll do that.
Please.
We'll do that. We also want people on board or want people to help, more especially businessmen. Funding is all that we need.
Yes, bengiseza lapho ukuthi apart from what you've already got from Opokat, now what else do you need because umsebenzi onje omncane.
Yeah, wonomkhulu my challenge now is transport. Mina I drive in a license. Ngithathe 2003 hand control. I had a car konje ngihambisile but ama driving system asesekhona. Just 2 minutes to install. So ukudeliver ama-wheelchair or umuntu angifuna ukuthi uzazothatha i-wheelchair naye beyihlele endlini ugogo washona or ubani bani ngiyoyithatha it's a problem mangingena etekisini you understand masiyodeliver kulabantu ngizokusendela some of ama-pictures
A panel van nje something ene-space ngemuva sokufaka everything
eniyikholethayo. Yes, because etekisini last ngikhumbula kuna 2 weeks ne ngina 2 weeks I think omunye ubhuti wangifonela sihlangana but in Southgate yes mall wanginikeza i-wheelchair mele senginathiwa ama-wheelchair kumele ngiyogibela i-taxi okay le taxi ngithole e-Southgate waba friendly ubhuti waphinda wangibeka la ngigibela ama-taxi wayegas la angafiki khona you understand wafika wangibeka ngagibela esithuli la yami ngichacha amavili ngiyibeka la wabona i-quantum inale space ngibeka lapho enye siyifolda sifake epassage igcwele
yeah.
imoto udriver makafika lapho yo yama utsha wethu imoto ayehla
Ngoba
Athi
ngoba inkulu into ekusafanele yenziwe even ngisho abamphakathi indlela abaniphatha ngayo njengobusho nje on taxis sikephi isidingo sokwenza lonto
uya understand yazi bangimela
umuntu lo unelungelo lokusebenzisa public transport just
Uyayibona.
like everybody else
so I paid for ukuthi ihlalele epassageni and athi angiyehlisa bonke abantu etaxini bathi hayi uyahlanya driver siyehla sonke
Ngaze ngabathanda.
akayehli lo ayikho le you know bangimela ngafila namuthi yane hayi wagcina washama hloni wagibela ngapha ngagcina ngamnika i50 rand ngithi 25
lapho nama ubaba wafuni muso uyothatha iUber yena futhi uyena uzofika
uye
kudikize kuya
oyalwisa vele uye oyalwisa lama Uber so angazi abekho fair abekho fair labantu
No, I think it's education ukungafundiseki uyabona uma ngabe kuye kuthiwe ukungazi kuyafana nokungaboni
Ngaboni, yes.
umuntu ongekho educated ongenamqondo uvulekile kulezi into ingqondo yakhe icineni isekopini wenza nomi kanjani
Yes,
wenziswa ukungazi until the day ezithola yena self kuleso simo leso ngoba into engakwehlela anytime
Anytime, yes,
like you
yes.
mentioned ukuthi wazalwa uright uphelele your life turned around at 15 so
Yes.
uma ngingenzeka kuyena ungambona lo angakhala every day
we understand ngeke ngatshela omunye osempumalanga angichomela athi uzogibela le 13 seater ama 13 seater wayengakhi wafiu phela ama owner wafuna ama 15 because 13 imali incane
incane
I understand sokuna 2 or 3 sokumele undlula ama taxi wangaki ukuthi mina ngiyogibela and nami ngihamba ngesikhathi phela ngomuntu nama appointment uyayibona so umjitha ngagcina ngigibelele itaxi ngigoloza athi besigibela ama super what amazola bad wangafani
ngiyakubona lokho kuyikopo kwangempela nje okungenaso nespace nyana
yes nomazola bad wesigibela abantu bonobuntu bayibambe wheelchair emuva ngihlale phambili yena uya driver cha uya understand ngasihlula kuzibamba endleleni ngithi ebhuti hey angiphathanga kahle uyazi mina uthi ngibone la ngila namhlanje imoto ngilimazwe imoto and wena uvuka every day uza le
ungena in the same car
uza estradeni kuthi lento uyisho izozi applyela lento ngikuyo because uNkulunkulu uzokubeka la ngikhona you understand kodwa ngafila ngathi bengimkhesa you understand
no kodwa ukhuluma iqiniso at the same time they need to understand ngoba asikho isidingo sokuthi ngoba nakubona umuntu engazi ukuthi ubukeka ngendlela ehlukile kunendlela wena obukeka ngayo bose uzibona ngathi ungcono kunaye
iyayibona lento
iba nobuntu nje ubuntu into ebalekile inhlonipho into ebalekile
and nakhona udriver phela uyadriver akangeni next endabeni ya wheelchair la emuva you understand yona driver esifixa la siyakhona bakhona abantu bonobuntu laba ithatha ungawari soyifaka la soyifaka hayi letha lesi sponge ngibekela ukuthi ingangcolisi at least kube nesponge in between mina naye ubona ukuthi lo muntu hayi munye athi hayi akunandaba mina ngiyayibamba injalo uyayibona so abantu ba right sometimes bakhona vele amunye uyehle nesitaxi athi hayi mina ngizongcolisa i-wheelchair yayibona kwenzekele kaningi I remember yeah but then abantu bakutreata ngendlela ezihlukahlukile but mina angisibheki kakhulu lezo because mina I know where I'm going and I know why I'm here so ngiyayiphilela and I know ukuthi vele lingasuka lingashoni ilanga umuntu angangenzanga something a bad you understand so I'm always ready for anything so because I know vele ukuthi abantu asifani but bakhona aba taxi driver abalunge sister abalunga ngalenye indlela u taxi driver uthi mangihleli phambili ngibhadala maceda thatha imali abuyise yami back u taxi driver azoskipha endleleni angama naba deliver bonke azongifikisa la ngiya khona ayongibeka egate I understand bakhona laba it's not like ba bad bonke you understand bakhona aba taxi driver ba right so abanye bakuthetha ngalendlela uzofisa ukuthi ngathi igovernment ingenza i-transport lezothatha abantu abakhubazekile kuphela you understand but well life is life omunye nomunye usebenzela kwakhe ungitreata bad usebenzela kwakho mina ngiright ngiphilela yami impilo uzohlangana nalento ozohlangana nazo phambili ubhadala lento uyenzile yabona so ya mina ngumuntu othando I was born nothando angazi ukuthi uzonda umuntu yini honestly speaking even nabantu la ngihlale nabo ngikhulwe nabo ngeke bakutshela ukuthi bake bangibona ngikwatile bake bangibona ngizonda I'm always happy smiling
that's beautiful Utwami ngicela sesizoyivala nje ngicela ungikhulumele nalo ohlele ekhaya ozithola kulesimo esicishe sifane nalesi sakho uzalwe right impilo ibinomali mhlawumbe walimala emsebenzini mhlawumbe walinyazwa abantu mhlawumbe walimala emotweni na usebona ukuthi impilo iphelile and uzivalele bayazama baseduze kwakhe ukusondela eduze kwakhe bamphakamise bamnxenxe ukuthi akaqhubeke nempilo kodwa cha ubone ngazi sekuphelele sithini kuloya muntu loya osezibulala esaphila.
Okay, butwami seswami gogo mama lento ukuthi impilo efike lapho is the way iplanwe ngakhona ngoNkulunkulu umdali usibekele indlela esohamba ngayo and then I'm telling you there's something behind that. Ma ulapho zithole wena uthi kahle why ulapho uNkulunkulu uyakhuluma bafowethu uNkulunkulu bekakhuluma usakhuluma usazokhuluma. Understand bakhuluma njalo nabo Moses nabo Joseph namanje usakhuluma so thola indlela ukuthi akutshele ukuthi kahle why akubeke kulesimo. Mina I pray the Lord ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngibonise why ngila. Okay ngiyazi ukuthi vele ngizele something la so what it is that I have to do enza ukuthi izinto zibe lula for me nakuthi ngisifikele just the way wena ufuna ngakhona. So it's just to pray God, talk to God and then umcela uthi baba ngiyabona kule kusimo simukele lesimo kunike sona bathi lento akuphe yona ngeke ize kusinde umthwalo lo ulingane wena exactly so wena just stand up ubona ukuthi impilo ikuphatheleni nawe iphathele something ungalindela ukuthi yona iphathele wena something impilo nawe iphathele something so ubeke lapho ngepurpose uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi why akubeka lapho wena thandaza cha uthole indlela mina indlela akhuluma ngami unginika iwisdom mangilala ngivuka ngiba ngina something la kimi ongitshele yona understand so unendlela eziningi zokucommunicate nabantu uJoseph bakaphupha umushe bakazwa ivoice understand umunye nokuyizwa nje ivoice la iza so unendlela so thola indlela yokucommunicate noNkulunkulu wakho akutshele ukuthi what it is that you have to do emhlabeni wakhe and God bless you. Take care of yourself.
Thola isizathu sokuphila naleso simo. Those are the words.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful, exactly. Wise words. But sikuthola kephi? Sikuthola ku Instagram ukhona?
Oh no, ku Instagram.
Ngicela uvule lolo page. TikTok?
Yes, ngikhona ku TikTok.
Ubani ku TikTok?
@simon.shabangu.
Simon.shabangu.
Yeah, Shabangu SHA.
Facebook?
Yes, ngikhona ku Facebook Simon Shabangu.
YouTube?
YouTube, yes. YouTube, check Sizo's book.
Sizo bhalwe kanjani? It's
SYZO.
Okay.
And then even that it's Sizo's book.
Sizo's book.
Yeah, my nickname is Sizo. They call me Sizo. Nele inga actor, by the way.
Oh wow. Oh yes, I saw ukuthi uya actor. I forgot to ask about your artwork.
Yeah, actor khona movie ngiyenzile no Babu John Latta. Bathi abafana abathathu. We were three, the blind guy uDomsani and then no Roto Morena Tsotetsi una ingalo ezithi zifika kancane nami. So sino usisi wakaMatola lo actor yamba lo kaMatola. Oh yeah, and then no lo ku isitha unka as a pastor. He was a pastor loku umfazi wakhe so he was abusing a pastor. I mean umfazi and they were selling drugs so thina safika to the rescue. So actually the movies or the things that I'm doing no driver not for myself but to show abanye abantu ukuthi you can do this noma uhleli la phezulu kwe wheelchair. Acting is to show them to no man you can also do this ukhubazekile because ngibe nankinga ukuthi ku acting banokuthatha umuntu ofana nawe bambeke phezulu kwe wheelchair ukuthi adlale irole leyo kumele idlale yimi. I remember ku Facebook angisakhumbula ngifuna ukusho ukuthi yipi but I complained but why nina nithatha umuntu o right nimbeka phezulu kwe wheelchair
base ukhona umuntu onelitalent oku wheelchair vele ozoyi actor kangcono futhi because uyasazi
nesimo you understand kungcono if ucala unjalo bakugwaza bakudubula uhlale phezulu kwe wheelchair you understand maybe at the later stage futhi maybe uyasukuma futhi utotobe ube right so if I permanent permanent abathathe vele umuntu okhubazekile
Yeah, makes sense.
bambeke lapho, you understand? So
banika ithuba nje nokuthi nithola ithuba kubalulekile because even ngisho i-labor law iyak-encourage ukuthi abantu abakhubazekile abaqashwe nabo ngoba kusho ukuthi njengoba ukhubazekile angeke uhlale etafuleni ucofa ikhompyutha angeke ulibambe ucingo ziningi into ongazenza even ngisho naloko okwenziwa ngezandla o-welding ontontontoni unako ungakwazi ukwenza ngezandla.
yeah before sindlula la I used to complain ngene ey'tolo la uthengisa khona impahla mangibheka ngiyabona ama-pictures abeka abantu ba-advertise impahla labantu abanormal and then akaze ngabona umuntu ume ngama-crutches nenyawo eli-1 or i-wheelchair mara kodwa siyangena siyathenga. You understand them? That's why I'm so proud of Bokati after ukuthi ingithathe ingigcokise ngale ndlela. You understand ukuthi it's a first a brand engiyaziyo you push umuntu okhubazekile ngale ndlela the way they are doing, you understand that? So I always thank God for ukuthi angithumele abantu afana laba ngizobathatha njengeingilozi because uNkulunkulu angeke aze avela lethe ingilozi
sizobaleka futhi mase siyibona iqhamukisa amaphiko.
Yeah so bengithi if kunjalo advertise nithi nabantu abakhubazekile come and do a photo shoot for our comments for what they understand as we mentioned na ngikhumbuza lethu uthi I mention now ukuthi u mention indaba ukuthi makunemsebenzi babhala ukuthi umuntu okhubazekile naye anga apply. They understand. So ngoba omunye ngikhumbula omunye ngikhulume ngaye esitolo athi no nina abantu abakhubazekile anizi nizozilanda ukuthi siyenze ngithi hayi nina bhalani ukuthi nani
kufanele babhale ukuthi nani namukelekile.
Iyayibona lento efana le. Yeah, so mina I'm a voice of people living with disabilities. I once been in parliament Nelspruit representing abantu abakhubazekile. I've been in this for a very long time, my sister. I've been pushing.
noNkulunkulu nje ukuthi akufake akumixe nabantu abadisable prior to your accident. That whole process nje was just a preparation ukuthi vele kahle i-calling yakho ila
it was a preparation ngendlela ukuthi vele i-calling yami lapho ngendlela ukuthi vele ngimotivate mangizohlala phezulu kwe-wheelchair ngiyazi ukuthi hayi man baphila ngizinabo abantu ngizophila nabo. Understand? Yes. So and then the other thing I left behind, I was also a Kwaito star.
Is it?
Yes.
Jack of all trades.
And then I even danced for Madiba's birthday in 2005. He was turning 87 years.
Wow.
So I jumped out of my wheelchair, ran and danced. As ubaba Mandela asuke estudio aze ngogijima la ngimafuna kungibamba njengesandla. You know, bezijikile izinto. Ngoba manje mangavela Mandela la sogijima sonke abantu bafuna ukumbamba, but that day yena beka gijima kuzofika
kimi.
Yes. Bezijikile izinto.
You know,
I love the anointing that I have from God. Wangifaka enye anointing nje yothando ngiyathandeka. Umuntu mangibheka nje usuka ngithande. Yeah, I understand that. I love
I think
that.
your positive attitude more than anything.
Yeah.
Uyathandeka umuntu ophilayo in any situation aphile. Yebo.
Yes ma. I'm so grateful.
Muhle kakhulu umsebenzi owenzayo. I wish you all the best. And the foundation house ithola kanjani?
Okay, ise etsi ezengisho ukuthi extension 8 and then in number asikaga agabi ku Facebook sisazoyenza sodela nayo.
Nisazoyicreatela everything nama-page wakhona. Okay.
But my number lengiyisebenzisayo vele akusiyami ye-organization, my cell number.
Ngicela uyisho leyo number. We'll also pin it down on the description box.
Okay, yes, 071 129 1917. 071 129 1917. And then we also have a email. Sisonke disability at gmail.
Okay. Okay.
at
Abantu abanjani
gmail.com.
abangakuthinta umuntu odinga ini and nawe ngicela ucele ebantwini ngoba you never know into kwi-internet ayiboli asikhohlwa you never know who's going to stumble across this
Yeah.
podcast abuke and then afise ukufaka isandla.
Okay, asicale ngalaba abakhubazekile. Leyo number nginike yona, call that number. You can come ku Sisonke and then kunama membership card, a membership form. Ungagcwalisa i membership form leyo and then nalaba sobanika ama wheelchair la soba filisa la membership form. Ukuthi in everything that you guys need le nathi siyenzayo nisitholele eduze nani sinitholele eduze, as long as we are having your numbers, your address. We won't mind to come to your place ukuvakashele. You are welcome to come. If ufuna ukuthunga, if ufuna kwenza lo msebenzi wezandla training, come there. Nani abazali baletheni abantwana so ba busy siba trainer nesikolo siyosiyenza lapho sobafundisa ukuya phambili. So siyatholakala ku lo 071 129 1917. Please call and then sibone sihlangana njani. Yeah, and then Sisonke will work nationally.
Okay.
And then we'll be having branches in all the provinces. Actually, in that wheelchairs, 45 wheelchairs, there's 10 wheelchairs that are going to Malawi. So we'll be working internationally. Because we also have a Kenya, Batumsango, what is an island. I'm having people with disabilities that I'm busy with, working with them, helping them financially, nama funerally, you know. Angakafiki kodwa we somehow connected. Yes.
Getting there.
Yes, yeah. So yeah, Sisonke is here for everyone. Noma uze igama lithi Sisonke, even if you are able to walk, you are able to do, and you are also welcome to be part of it.
And what can people do for the organization? Abafisa ukucontribute, how do they contribute?
Okay, yeah, impahla sayidinga nalama wheelchair la ukudala nowabekile abantu uthola
Mawuthi impahla ngicela ucacise, do you need kukhona abantu abakhubazekile abadinga impahla zokugqoka
Zokugqoka, yes.
or impahla zasendlini, impahla enjani?
Okay, impahla zokugqoka.
Okay.
Yeah, zokugqoka vele nasesendlini sayifuna because bakhona abanye esibavakashela sibona nathi uthi
Ngibonisiwe.
laba badinga nje maybe plate le 1 or 2 la likhona. We understand into esifana lezo. I'm not saying ukuthi siyajudge emzini kodwa masivakashela umuntu okhubazekile sifuna kubona ukuthi I health yakhe injani. Because it's our
Ngoba
first
ezinye
priority.
zezinto ezi-affecta i-mental well-being yakhe lo muntu as well.
Yes. Yeah, impahla yokugqoka nama wheelchair ama crutches if nawo umuntu washona wayisiya or umuntu recovery lo mile uyibekile nje uyibekele bani ngoba bakhona abantu bahamba phansi ngamadolo. So Sisonke iyazimukela into ezifana lezo ikhona kuyonceda ngazo. So abantu abaningi besibanika ama second hand wheelchairs, ama used one laba sidonate la abantu because besingakabi nawo lawa 40 something, but now futhi wasasele kubana ring angithi basawa branda. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi bafuna ukuwa deliver at once. Yeah, so yeah.
Elokugcina.
Okay, lokugcina ngithi bafethu asizameni kurespectana, asithandaneni, singathethele omunye umuntu phansi ngenxa yesimo sakhe. Yes, singajajani, asincedaneni siye phambili. And then ngifuna ukusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyanthanda, and nathi on behalf of Sisonke members, I say guys, we love you all, and then we are waiting for you to come and pitch up on us so that we'll be able to work with you. So thank you very much, and thank you to you, my sister Zandi,
Ubonge mina.
for giving me
Thank you
this
so much for
opportunity.
ukuza and just making time for us. We really appreciate it a lot. We like to educate and we like to ukuletha abantu abenza umehluko empilweni zabanye abantu, and into ebalekile ngiyifunde namhlanje ukuthi kuloso simo ophila kuso, those are your words.
Yes,
Ukuthi thole purpose
yes,
in that
yes.
situation. So ningakhohlwa ukuthi Simon needs anything and everything, utensils asendlini, impahla zokugqoka, inumber uyishile. I'm also going to pin it down in the description box down below. Yeah, cela ulula isandla la ungakhona khona, nabakhubazekile ukhona, reach out udinga ini. ngoba ngeke sazi mangabe uhleli la uhleli khona. So from me to you, love and peace, ngicela sivalele sekubabukela.
Okay, ngansiya manje, and then I love to be with you for the rest of the day. Kodwa, I have something to do out there, and then I would like to send my regard to my mom. She's a powerful woman. She's the one.
Big up to
who, yes, big up mama, and then my wife, and then the kids, and all those who are supporting me. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Bogati. Thank you, Banareng. Thank you very much. And God bless you all. Asipidence Pambin.
Love and peace from me to you. See you on the next episode. Hello, sanibona nidumelang igama uZandi isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezinkonyane zonihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.